So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to share another person's number in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your WhatsApp, and to share another person's number you should have to find the person's whose number you want to share. So I'm tapping here. Now you should have to tap on their profile picture, which is available on the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on three dot, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Now you can simply see the option of share, so again tap on it. Now select a number where you want to share, so I'm tapping on myself. Then tap on send icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side. Now see, you have successfully shared another person's contact number or WhatsApp number in WhatsApp, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.